Welcome to the Al-Utrujjah channel's Tajweed learning series. Today, we will learn the rules of Noon Sakinah and Tanween in a very simple way. But before we learn the rules of Noon Sakinah and Tanween, we first need to understand what Gunna is. Gunna is a nasal sound that comes from the nasal passage, the nose, not from the mouth. You can try it yourself. Say or mm. You will feel a vibration in your nose. That vibration is called gunna. The length of gunna is usually 2 counts, 2 beats. Why do we learn gunna first? Because some of the rules of Noon Sakinah and Tanween involve gunna, such as Idgham with gunna, Iqlab with gunna, Ikhfa with gunna. So whenever we hear the word gunna during the lesson, we know that it refers to a nasal sound coming from the nose and held for about 2 counts. Now let's talk about the rules of Noon Sakinah and Tanween. First, what is Noon Sakinah? It is the letter Noon with a sukoon, such as an. And what is Tanween? Tanween is the double vowel sign at the end of a word. Alimun, alimun. The good news is that Noon Sakinah and Tanween share the same 4 rules. These 4 rules are Izhar, Idgham, Iqlab, Ikhfa. The first rule, Al-Izhar. Al-Idhar means pronouncing the noon clearly with no gunna. If Noon Sakinah or Tanween is followed by one of these 6 letters, Al-Hamza, Al-Ha, Al-Ain, Al-Ha, Al-Ghain, Al-Kha, we pronounce the noon clearly. Examples:
من هاد لأكثرهم من عهد.
In both examples, the noon sound is clear. The second rule is Al-Idgham. Al-Idgham means merging the noon into the letter that follows it. The letters of Al-Idgham are gathered in the word Yarmalun, Al-Ya, Al-Ra, Al-Mim, Al-Lam, Al-Waw, Al-Nun. Al-Idgham has 2 types. Idgham with gunna. The letters are Al-Ya, Al-Nun, Al-Waw, Al-Mim. Example:
فلن نزيدكم لغوا ولا كذابا قريبا يوم ينظر المرء.
The noon merges into the letter with gunna. The second type is Idgham without gunna. The letters are Al-Lam, Al-Ra. Example:
من ربهم.
The noon merges into the letter without gunna. The third rule is Al-Iqlab. Al-Iqlab has only one letter, Al-Ba. When the letter Ba comes after Noon Sakinah or Tanween, the noon changes into a hidden meme with gunna. Example:
من بيتك بالحق من بعد ذلك.
It is pronounced as if there is a hidden meme sound before the Ba. The fourth rule is Al-Ikhfa. If the next letter to the Noon Sakinah or Tanween is not from Al-Izhar letters, Al-Idgham letters, or Al-Iqlab letters, then the rule is usually Ikhfa. In Ikhfa, we do not pronounce the noon clearly and we do not merge it completely. Instead, we make a gunna sound. Examples:
من شر ما خلق فيها عين جارية ولمن صبر وغفر.
You can hear the gunna before moving to the next letter. These are the 4 rules of Noon Sakinah and Tanween. Let's make them easy to remember. Whenever you see a Noon Sakinah or Tanween, look at the next letter, if it is one of the Izhar letters. So the rule is Izhar, and the Noon Sakinah and Tanween pronounce clearly without gunna if it is one of the letters in Yarmalun. So the rule is Idgham, and the Noon Sakinah and Tanween merge into the letter that follows it. If it is Ba, so the rule is Iqlab, and the noon changes into a hidden meme with gunna, and the remaining 15 letters the rule is Ikhfa. And that's it. You have learned the 4 rules of Noon Sakinah and Tanween in a simple and easy way. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. See you in the next lesson. May Allah bless you.